Hello everyone, welcome to my channel S.G.M Creations and Tutorial. Here is my project. This is an earring, a dangling earring made from the plastic cups of the Pantene shampoo. This is the Pantene Color Protect shampoo. This is made of Germany, and we purchased this from the Lidl supermarket. This one is the bottle caps of this shampoo. I cut out this portion. Look at here, this one. I cut it out and I transform into a unique, beautiful earrings. This is the earrings. I will show you. This one. This is now the finished product. This one is the cover of the shampoo with a hook and with 3 pieces of beads, pearl beads with the rings. Okay, and look at the back side. Look at here, this is the back side of it. I cut out the plastic on the back and make a holes on the top and 3 on the bottom of this side. Look at here, this is the bottom of the shampoo cover, 3 holes in it, and I attach with 3 beads in a ring. So just watch the full video tutorial on how to create this project. This is an earrings made from recycled plastic bottles of the Pantene shampoo, and this is the cover, this one. Okay, so just check the other videos so that you can see and you can follow step by step on how to create this unique earrings made from the recycled bottle caps of the Pantene shampoo. Okay, so you can create different kinds of earrings by recycling waste materials. Okay, thank you for watching, and thank you for all your support that makes my channel grow. So keep watching, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, so that you will be updated with my latest project. I am posting my project every day as long as I am done with my project. Okay, and this one, the holder is also made of beads. This is an apple made of beads. This is beads crafting. Dankeschön, auf Wiedersehen, bye bye, salamat po.